Spirulina capsule. Spirulina tablet. Ito naka-tablet for. Yan. Lahat ito ay food. Yes, that is possible. Maraming benefits sa ating katawan. Natural super food. Alkaline food. Yeah, try it. Kasi ako ay subok na subok. Subok na subok ko na daily. This is my adds-on to my RGGL, which is Ganoderma. This is my Ganoderma. Ina-adds-on ko po ito. Yes. Thank you. Please share and comment.